in my life, but I can't, cause these bitches won't let me live. They crowded on my face, all of my face, all of my face, all of my face. I don't know why, I don't even know why they even like me, cause I'm broke, I don't have a job, I be asking them for money, them for money, them for money. They be like, fuck you, fuck me, no, fuck you, I don't have a car or a ride, so I'm gonna ride with you, ooh, with you, ooh, with you, ooh, shit. Who you telling to fuck? No, you're not gonna fuck me, no, you're not, no, you are not, hey, can I borrow $5? I will pay you back tomorrow when I get paid, I promise you I need to go buy me some Skittles, oh, I need some Skittles, oh, I need some Skittles, oh, I need some Skittles. She says, fuck you. Hey, what do you mean? Fuck me? No, fuck you. You can't tell me that you don't wanna be with me. I know you like me cause I'm broke. Can't you see I am broke? I don't got no money for nobody or even myself. No, not myself. Oh, not myself. Oh, not myself. Hey, she like, fuck you. Mama, can I borrow you? So I wanna take this girl to the movie. She is kinda fine. Oh, she's so fine. Oh, she's so fine. Oh, she's so fine. But she don't got a job because I like to have some money. Cause I wanna buy her some popcorn. Oh, some popcorn. Oh, some popcorn. Oh, my mama said, nigga, fuck you. Get a life. Get a job because your broke ass ain't take off of me. Forever. 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 She said, learn to wash your clothes. Wash your clothes. I don't even know how to wash my clothes. But I don't even care cause my mama is there. Can I get a girl who will wash my clothes, fix me food, take me down to the store, buy me clothes, buy me shoes. I want a grill and a fitted hat. Really like that, I'm like, fuck me, fuck you, fuck her, fuck me, get alive, get alive. I don't even know why the girls like me, but they do. I don't care, I will keep doing what I do because it's fun. I party, I party, I party. That's a Brown and Gold family. Anyway, act it up for me.